Hello everybody. I'm going to do a very short video today about Project 4, the bifold pamphlet that you are going to work on. And I just want to show you quickly how to set up your file in InDesign. So let me share my screen. And we'll go to create new. We'll use the custom size, custom document, 8.5 by 11, but because we are using the horizontal position, it's 11 by 8.5. We'll have 2 pages, uncheck facing pages, and set it to 3 columns with a 0.5 gutter. Margins will be 0.25 on all sides, and the bleed will be 0.125 on each side. So we create our document. So we have 2 pages. Okay, 1 page, second page, and we'll go back to first page. And notice we have 3 columns here. The way the text will flow. So this is your first column, and that will be the title. This is now 6, not column, but this is the kind of column that will have the back matter. So you go from title, you go to 2, but unfortunately it's on the other side of on page 2, and this is 5. Okay, so here we have 2. So from page 1 your text flows to 2, or maybe it starts from here, flowing your main body text. That's from page column 2, goes to column 3, goes to column 4, and then goes to column 5. So that's how the text and the images will flow. Okay, and that's about it. Just for read your instructions for project 4, and you will be using again the paragraph styles and object styles to lay out your pamphlet. Okay, stop share.